On 24th August, an article came in Hindu about the campus ragging. This article has importance with respect to ethics, society, as well as in social justice section, education. So this article basically starts with the mentioning of an incident which has recently happened in Jadavpur University, which is about the suicide of a 17-year student due to ragging. Now, next article briefly introduces the Supreme Court judgment with respect to the ragging and how it has been not been still in total implementation mode, and there are still some lacunas in it. And then it points out the different aspects of the ragging, which could be very detrimental for our society, our education section, for development of the science and technology, that means research and development, and also for the economy, because I will tell it later. And at the last, it also argues a very important concept, which is multi-generational transmission. So, after the brief introduction, the main thing that is important from the article for us is that it mentions about 2-3 values, which we are lacking because of the ragging. So, but the writer is arguing that Indian education system has in ragging as its, we can say it's a distinct feature, which is not good for our society or economy and other, from other perspectives. So, the important values which because of the ragging we are lacking, and this can be pointed out in ethics questions, is one, scientific temperament. Here is how we are lacking scientific temperament, and second, empathy, and third one, critical thinking or the intelligent dissent. How scientific temperament we are lacking? Why? Because we are doing in ragging basically we oppress others through various means. So a person who is reasonable and who is reasonable enough, who knows what should be done and what should not be done, and what are the different behavioral traits, that person will never do such things to their juniors. Second one is empathy. Empathy is about putting oneself into someone else's shoes and thinking with what same person will go through if same thing happens with him or her. So those who do ragging, they lack empathy. So empathy is an important value. There is a lack of empathy in them. And third one is development of critical thinking or the intelligent dissent. Those who are juniors, they can't question their seniors. So in such scenario, there will be development of the thinking process, especially if we want to develop ourselves to a Vishwaguru, which will have lots of development of science and tech and research and development, and the new arena is dominated by the sector. So the development of critical thinking is very important. In this perspective, 3 important values that because of the ragging, Indian education system is being not able to generate or inculcate among the students is first scientific temperament, second is one is empathy, and third is critical thinking or the intelligent dissent. Now ये article में लिख दिया कि कुछ नहीं पढ़ देना है, कैसे नहीं सब में नहीं है, तो हाँ ये he is also arguing that it सब में नहीं, लेकिन because of this values are lacking among the students. Okay, now अब होगा क्या उसकी वजह से? नाउ की इंपॉर्टेंट वैल्यूज लैक कर रही है तो होगा क्या कि बैड सिटीजन्स क्रिएट होंगे, वो जिनको लॉ तोड़ने का कोई डर नहीं, टूट भी गया तो टूट गया, वो ऐसे सिटीजन्स होंगे जो बैड वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल होंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको अपनी कलीग्स की इंटरेस्ट उनके साथ कैसे व्यवहार करना है, तो बिहेवियरल एस्पेक्ट दे नॉट बी मोस्ट बॉदर्ड अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स भी अच्छे नहीं होंगे. हम जानते हैं सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट और तरह की बुलिंग होती है वर्किंग प्लेस पे. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो इन्होंने आखिर में मेंशन किया है वो है मल्टी जनरेशनल ट्रांसमिशन. Multi-generational transmission is this point that argues that only general traits जो होते हैं जेनेटिक ट्रेट्स होते हैं, केवल जेनेटिक ट्रेट्स नहीं ट्रांसमिशन होते हैं, साथ साथ बिहेवियरल इमोशनल पैटर्न्स जो होते हैं वो भी होते हैं एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन को जा रहे होते हैं. तो अगर सोसाइटी अगर ऐसे इंडिविजुअल्स हम लोग जनरेट करेंगे तो जो सोसाइटी की जो फर्दर न्यू जनरेशन आएंगी उन जनरेशन में वैल्यूज ऑटोमेटिकली इंकलकेट रहा होगा. तो हमारी सोसाइटी जो होता है रेदर देन एक इथिकल सोसाइटी बनने के बजाय एक अनजस्ट सोसाइटी या एक अनइथिकल सोसाइटी होगी, जहाँ पर वो ऑप्स की कॉन्सेप्ट कहें तो जो ताकतवर होंगे वही होंगे, वो राइट होंगे. ठीक है, तो because of this article has importance. Okay. So यहाँ पे दो importance is दो bad citizen या bad working professional. It also about the attitude development. So an attitude development is part of the ethics syllabus. Okay, and education is also part of the ethical. How education, the teachers inculcate values and that leads to development of certain attitudes among the students. So from this perspective, ethical values will be in if someone asks about the importance of the education development of ethics. Okay, so you can point out this point. See how one of the distinct feature of Indian education that is ragging, which is negatively impacting the development of scientific temperament, empathy, and critical thinking among the students, and which leads to development of the bad citizens and the bad working professional, which will overall lead to the development of overall negatively impact the society's evolution. Okay, so that also you can also mention about the multi-generational transmission. Okay, and similarly in society question, if somehow अगर ऐसा कोई question आ जाए कि is Indian education system is poised to make Indian society much better, okay, or Indian society is corrupting day by day, so वहाँ पे you can put one argument that Indian education system has certain values, certain features which also does not promote the certain ethical values जो इसमें mention है, and because of this also we are lacking certain value which will not help in progressively developing the society. यहाँ पे इन दो जगहों पे साथ ही साथ एडुकेशन में अगर कभी क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि व्हाट आर द इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम में कुछ कमियाँ क्या हैं, तो आप वहाँ पे ये इथिकल पॉइंट डाल सकते हो. ये रैगिंग जैसे इंसिडेंट्स हैं जो कि इथिकली सोसाइटी को करप्ट बनाते हैं कैसे, तो उनके अंदर ये सर्टेन वैल्यू लैग होता है. ओके, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पर्सपेक्टिव दिस आर्टिकल इंपॉर्टेंट, और इस तरह से इस आर्टिकल के पॉइंट्स हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने फेवर में.